hell are you doing?
Nothing.
You're fired. Oh, jeez. 2, 3. Bidding, texturing, the X. Wrangled it out. Oh, jeez. What would I do without my hammer? Today we have a big punch list. Property managers or homeowners are trying to get a new tenant in. A lot of times there's a whole big list of like little weird items that need to be done, like this is broken, blinds broken, this isn't working, exhaust fan, filters, that sort of thing. We're just gonna knock them out and let me know if you have any questions. All right, so there's 3 of these fans with remote in this house and 2 of them aren't working. So this one works, no problem. And we're gonna double check the fan. The fan seems to be working. Let's go see if these batteries work in the 2 remotes that we suspect are dead. When I take the batteries out, when you have multiple inside the house, these little switches here are what put the remote on the fan's frequency length. 3 and 4 in the up position, 1 and 2 are in the down position for this particular fan. We installed the batteries and let's see if that one solves the problem. Okay, that one's pretty straightforward. Easy enough, right? Where things get a little bit tricky. We're in the 3rd room. I just put new batteries in there and this is not turning the fan on. This remote wasn't working because one, the battery is bad, but even with the battery light flashing, you should see a bulb appear when you press that. So we know that this remote is bad. If you go up here, you can check in this hole here, 4 little switches in there. And notice how all 4 of those switches are up. So we're gonna take a good remote and switch all 4 of those switches up, install the battery, wait for it to come on, and now it works. I can turn on the fan if I need to. So sometimes it is a combination of a little bit of everything. In this instance, we know that the remote is bad and it was set to the wrong frequency. So we check the frequency, and you do that by, sometimes it is in here and you just drop that and make sure that the tabs are set to the same as the remote. In this instance, it's a hole on the top right up there. So you want to make sure the tabs in there match the tabs in the remote.